Hi, it's Ian here, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to a brand new template that we recently added to the OptimizePress platform. Now the team here at OptimizePress get very excited when we add something new because we're excited to see what you're going to do with it. Now, creating templates is more than the process of just web design. Aside from the technical aspects of coding that are carried out by our development team, our templates include a range of moving elements that combine on a common web page goal. Now, that goal may be to increase your sales, improve your conversions, add subscribers to your list, even expand your audience, or simply just get your website visitor to confirm their email address. We are constantly split testing and tweaking behind the scenes to ensure that our page templates conform to the best practices in website optimization. And that's why today I am delighted to be unveiling this brand new template that has been brought to us by optimization and traffic ninja Justin Brooks. Now, Justin is the man when it comes to conversion and testing and tweaking, and I'm thrilled that he's going to be allowing us to share with the OptimizePress community his exclusive highest converting landing page. Now, all you're going to need to do is add your personal or business elements and click publish. So let's jump in and have a look at how you're going to install the template and how you're going to work with it. So I'm going to hand you over to the capable hands of James, and I will speak to you soon.
Thanks, Ian. Okay, so in this part of the video I'm going to show you how to download, install and use the new template that we're providing you with. So the first thing you need to do is log in to your OptimizePress members area and scroll down to your download section, and you'll see we've now added an extra section, which is the extra download section, and this is where we're going to be adding a whole load of new templates and other content that you can download to enhance your websites built with OptimizePress. So I'm going to click here to access the downloads, and you'll see here that we have the I am scalable template, and this is the template that I'm going to talk to you about today. So the process for actually downloading and installing the template is very simple. All you need to do is right click on this download link, and I'm going to click save link as. Now this may be slightly different depending on which browser you're using, but you want to be downloading the file to your computer. So I'm going to click save link as, and I'm going to save this into a folder on my desktop called Club Template. So I'm just going to save that, and my browser's now told me that the file has been downloaded. So the next thing you need to do is head over to your OptimizePress website. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now inside my WordPress dashboard, and you'll see that the design of WordPress might be slightly different to what you're used to, and that is because I'm using WordPress 3.8, which is a recent update, and that is including a new interface for WordPress. So what I'm going to do now is go over to OptimizePress, and I'm going to go to the page builder option. And this is going to allow me to create a new page, and we're going to use that new template for this new page. So I'm going to give the template or page a name, so I'm just going to call this the I am scalable template. Let's call it the I am scalable template test. Scroll down, and I'm going to click the use content template option, and then I'm going to choose the upload content templates, and this is where you can upload any templates that you found either from in the extra download section, or if you're one of our club members you'll find a whole load of templates inside the club. So I'm going to click on choose a file, I'm going to choose the zip file that we downloaded earlier, and I'm going to click open, and now I'm going to click install now, and this will install the template. So you can see content template installed successfully, and now the template is ready to go. So I just need to scroll down and find the template. I need to look inside opt-in pages because this is an opt-in page template, and you'll see the I am scalable template here. So I'm just going to select that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click proceed to step 2. And this is going to load us straight into the live editor where we can go ahead and modify our page. So you can see here already that we have a few elements on the page which you can modify. The first thing is your logo, so you can just click edit, and you can select a file from your computer to change the logo. and once you've done that, you would just click on Insert. And we also have this element for credibility badges, and this is basically for you to add any kind of badges or seals that you are able to for your site. So for example, if you've been featured in a magazine or on a high profile website, we recommend that you grab their logo and put it into here in an image file. Sometimes it's also nice if you actually grey out the logos, so make them sort of a lower opacity and make them sort of black and white. If you're not sure how to do that, I recommend just finding someone on Fiverr.com or a similar freelancing site to actually make you an image to go here. And the reason this is important is because these credibility badges, well, they essentially add a lot of credibility to your site, which is great for helping with conversions. So if you have anything like that, then you can add that in here. If not, you can always just remove this image from the header. Now scrolling down, you can see that we have this high impact bar here which states free report reveals. Obviously you can add something different here if you want, but we found that this text works well, and Justin Brook, who kindly provided the concept for this template, has actually tested the idea behind this template and the framework of this template over hundreds of thousands of visitors, and this is his highest converting template. So we're confident that it's going to help you convert your visitors to subscribers as well. So you can modify this text. Again, just click the edit icon and change the text to whatever you want, and once you're happy with it, you can just click on Insert. And again, if we scroll down here, we have a heading for the page here, and we have some bullet points, so you can essentially add a high impact title here, which is basically going to tell people what they're going to get by opting in to your list. And you can add 3 bullet points. You can add more if you wish, but we found that 3 works well, and these are just going to be promoting the main benefits that your visitor is going to get by subscribing to your list. Now, one of the most important parts of this page is actually here on the left hand side, and that is this image for the PDF. So generally you would be giving away something like an ebook or an infographic, and what Justin has found in his tests is that adding a image of a free PDF, so you can leave this image if you want. This is an image we created, so if you don't want to change this or create your own cover, you can use this, but obviously a cover that you design with your own branding on is going to work really well for you. So edit this image and add your image by just clicking select a file. But this is not just an image element. The most important part of this element is actually this alert message here. And basically what this does is it shows an alert when someone clicks on this image. So the idea being that people will click on the image that says free PDF or download now, as I'll show you in a second, and they're going to be prompted to actually enter their email to grab this PDF, and this has been found to really boost conversions significantly. So as you can see, we also have this download now image. Now again, you can change this for your own download now image, but you can use ours if you wish. And this again is the alert message. So if you're using OptimizePress in a different language, you'll obviously want to change this image and this text. You can use this text we've added here, or you can customize it to fit with your brand if you wish. Now what's going to happen is when someone clicks on this link, this image here or this ebook, it's going to pop up with a message telling them to opt in. And that has been one of the key components to this page being such a high converting page. So all you need to do is change out those images. You can change this text if you want. Obviously this downloaded 10,000 times. You can change that to whatever you want on here to fit with however many times your free guide has been downloaded. Obviously having something like 10,000 times on here is going to also boost the social proof element of the page. Now the final thing you need to do is just click on the opt-in form to actually integrate with your autoresponder. So if you're familiar with OptimizePress already, you'll have integrated your own autoresponder, and you'll see it in this list here. You can choose to email the information to yourself if you wish, although we don't recommend this option. And you can also use a custom form. So if you're using a provider which we don't have an API integration with, you can simply use the custom form HTML here and link up the form fields below to actually send your subscribers from this page through to your mailing list provider. The other things you can change here, you can change your spam notice, you can change the text on the email box, and you can also customize the submit button. We've already tweaked this to work really well with this high impact orange, but you can change that if you wish. And once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is set the page to published, save and close, and then you can actually go ahead and view the page. So I'm going to go to all pages, and I'm going to change to order by date, and you'll see I am scalable test. Let's view this page, and we can see here is the finished product. And if I click on the free PDF here, you'll see that I have this impact message here which tells me to enter my email on the right to download this PDF. The same happens with the download now, and this template is one that we're really confident is going to help boost your conversions. So download it and give it a try now, and let us know how you get on.